Hi guys, welcome back to the channel, welcome back to a new video, and today we go on a point of view drive with this car. So the all new Seat Leon. This is the 4th generation model, and as you can see, it's looking very sharp. This particular model has the FR trim, which means it's more aggressive. You have the sporty bumper, different grille with the satin finish, and then we have the full LED lights. Let me show you the side view of the car. This car sits on this beautiful 18-inch wheels, like in dual tone. So we have the gray, Cosmos gray, and silver. They call it the performance wheels, 18-inch. And then moving on, let me show you the rear of the car. This is probably my favorite part of this car. From this angle, looks so good. So we have the connected taillights, full LED. You have also the dynamic indicators. As you can see, when you unlock it, you see this dynamic indicator in action. Unfortunately, we do have a fake exhaust, but yeah, that's the trend. There's also a new lettering at the back, Leon. Not sure I quite like that. Tell me in the comments, what do you think about it? And yeah, if you want to see all the details of the new Leon, check out my in-depth review. But today we're gonna focus on the drive. So without further ado, let's jump inside. Let me show you the interior. So we have the FR illumination, the FR seats, and then this is the layout. Let's jump inside and let's go for a drive. All right, so this is the layout in front of you. As you can see, I changed the location. We had some traffic over there. And this is where you start the car with this start engine button. And then it comes to life. You have a beautiful digital cockpit in front of you, and then this is the 10-inch screen, which is optional, so you get the 8-inch as standard. This car has the DSG automatic transmission, 7-speed, uses the shift-by-wire technology, and what it means is when I put it to drive, it remains in the same position. So let's go. This car has a mild hybrid engine, 1.5 liter eTSI. That means it's a petrol version with the help of a small electric motor to make it more efficient. Figures are also very solid, 8.4 seconds to reach 100. Also top speed is 221. So really for an average buyer, this is really more than enough, I would say. This particular model also has the DCC, so dynamic chassis control, adaptive dampers, which means when you change the driving modes, the ride itself also changes. And speaking of the driving modes, you change them by pressing this shortcut with the Seat Leon design here, and then you have a bunch of systems that can be activated or deactivated. For example, I'm gonna deactivate the start-stop system. I don't like that system on any car. And then here you can have different systems or safety systems, stuff like that. All can be configured in this menu. I will actually first deactivate the lane assist also. And then now we come to the driving modes. Yeah, so drive profile, and these are your driving modes. Eco, when you put it to eco, you feel that you have much less of a throttle response. And then comfort makes the ride the smoothest of them all. If you want smooth ride, you will definitely go to comfort. You can really feel actually quite a lot of difference between the comfort and, for example, sport mode. And the car really handles very well. And then there's also an individual mode where you can figure everything out. I'm not gonna do it right now, I'm driving, but you get the point. A lot of options. I'm gonna put it back to the normal mode. And for shifting, of course, the car shifts automatically, but you can also use this flappy pedals that are behind the steering wheel. speaking of the layout, as you can see, there are no physical buttons whatsoever. That's good for the design, but I would love to have the buttons for the AC. So you do have this slider for the temperature. You can also use voice commands, for example. Lower the temperature.
Sure, it will get cooler at the front left shortly.
There you have it. So you can use those if you don't want to slide it here. And then the views you have on this digital dashboard are also very cool. You can configure everything out. I will do a proper in-depth review of the car. It's already actually live on the channel, so go check that out. And there you will see the exact you know, figures of I mean the exact digital dashboard layout and the options that you have. But yeah, for now, let's put it back to the classic view with the rev counter and the speedometer and the navigation in the middle. Background lighting also is ambient lighting, actually is also a beautiful and cool feature of this new Leon. And you will see it on my night point of view drive, which is already also live, so go check that out also. You will not regret it. It's really beautiful during the night. So tell me in the comments, guys, how do you like this interior? How do you like the car overall? I will now let you enjoy the drive, and then we'll go on a highway and I'll come back to you. Okay guys, so now we are on the highway and let's see how the car performs here. So 100 kilometers per hour, which is the current limit, and you are below 2000 RPMs. It's also pretty quiet in here. Okay, so now we have 130 limit. So during 130 kilometers you have 2400 RPMs, so that's really solid. And also I want to show you the lane assist. You see, it is keeping us in lane. Also now we have this blind spot monitor showing us that there's a car on our left. I don't know if you can see it, it's illuminated. That is a cool feature. It will probably be even cooler during the night. And let's also show you the lane assist on that side. as you can see, keeping us in lane really good. So that's about it. How do you guys like this car? Tell me in the comments. Also check out the official price list, and there will be a link to the official SEAT Croatia website, and then you can check out you know, what's on offer. Once again, do check out my in-depth review and also my night point of view drive. And that's about it. Thank you for watching, and see you on the next one. Bye bye. And before we go, let me show you how does the ACC, the adaptive cruise control, work on this car. So you need to press this and press set. Now we've set it to 108 kilometers, and it will drive automatically. And for example, look at this, it will also keep you in lane. So semi-autonomous driving system. Let's try this. Also keeping us in lane. And if there was a car in front of us that is driving slower than we are, it would automatically brake and then accelerate back when it's able, back to the speed that you put on. In this case, it's 108 kilometers per hour. So this is really a feature that I would choose to have on a car if you are often on a highway, if you are often on the road traveling you know, more than 6-7 hours. That can really be useful, especially, I mean, you will be of course in the control of the car, but you know, you just want this system to be able to help you. I will demonstrate now. We have 130, and that car, that van is going below, and you see that the car is slowing down. 125. So it is really braking now. And then now we go back to the left lane, and it will go back to 130, which is what I've set it now. So really convenient system, and as I said, can be very, very helpful in the situations where you drive long distances. And now that's it. Thank you for watching. Do subscribe, as I said, and watch my other videos of this car, and see you on the next one. Bye bye.